Hey, ZGALA here. Let's do my 100 any reps standing on my head because it's been a while. It's probably going to take longer than a minute, and that's okay. So I already did 25 in under a minute just for a quick check. So now I'll take my time a little. 99, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 90, 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60, 59, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to do some extra because I might have counted wrong. There you have it, 100 any reps in, I'm guessing, under 2 minutes. Doesn't have to take a long time. You're worth 2 minutes. Give yourself a little. Give yourself a little more. You're enough as you are, but also you can do more than you think. I'm Aunt Angel, ZGALA. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay curious, courageous, fit, and free. I'll be seeing you. Peace.